Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 8. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two different ways to add media to your timeline exactly where the scrubber position is. So here is the scrubber right here, this red line right here. You can drag this wherever you want. When you want to add media to start exactly where the scrubber is, you come over here to your media bin. The first way to do it is simply double click on any footage and boom, it's going to place it exactly where that scrubber position is. The second way to do it, drag your cursor or your scrubber wherever you want it. Come down here to this little plus symbol, okay? Click on that, you'll see that it says add media to the timeline at the current scrubber position. So click on the plus, and now you have this really easy way to view what all the footage is in your media bin. Simply click what you want, and boom, it's going to place it right where it is. So no longer do you have to drag and drop stuff and risk clicking things out of place or shifting things in your timeline. Simply double click on it and it'll place it exactly where the cursor is. And the length that it does, or the duration that it places, can be set up here in the Screenflow Preferences. Go to your timeline. All of these default durations are what it's going to naturally go to. And of course, if you always want to drag this out, you can always change this however much you want. But that is how you quickly add media to your timeline. Simply double click on anything in your media bin. It'll place it where the scrubber is, or click this little plus symbol down here and choose the clip that you want and it'll place it right there. My name is Mike Murphy and that is your quick tip in Screenflow 8. Cheers.